How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, clean off your lens on your phone. That's the only issue you can get on a Snapchat camera. Once you are done with that, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and tap on the search bar. Now search for Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat. Now make sure to update to the latest version. If you are on the older version, that might get you issues for if you are on the older version, that can get you issues related to the camera qualities. Now once you are done with that, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management and search for Snapchat. Now type Snapchat and click on search. Now tap on Snapchat, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear cache. Now open up Snapchat on your device. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now go to settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on clear cache. Now click on continue. Now restart Snapchat. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.